how to log out of Yelp app. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how you can log out of your Yelp app, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open the Yelp app on your mobile device, and just like I have done here. And then once you've opened it, move to the lower part of the screen where you can see 5 icons, namely search, project, me, collections, and more. And then click on the more option. After clicking on the more option, on the more page, scroll down to the last part and click on settings. Alright, so after clicking on settings, we brought to the settings page. On this page, you can see options, right? Such as push notifications, email notifications, my locations, rotation services, clear history, distance units, privacy settings, security settings, mobile app preferences, and then logout. And then all you need to do is just to click on the logout option here that you can see, and then you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to log out. Click on yes, I'm sure, and then just like that, you will be logged out of the application. It is very simple, quick and easy, something you can try as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.